Number 25. Which row shows the actions needed for the eye to focus on a distant object? So, in order to see a distant object, the lens that is present inside the eye should become thinner. So when we think of the lens is connected to the muscle called ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscle is rather circular, and the lens is connected to the ciliary muscle by ligaments called suspensory ligaments. So when the lens has become thinner, it has become stretched. So the muscle relaxes and gets expanded, and it pulls the lens by pulling the suspensory ligaments. So now suspensory ligaments is pulling the lens in many different ways. So it causes the lens to become stretched, so it becomes thinner. So it was initially like this, but if it becomes stretched, the lens becomes thinner, right? So the ciliary muscle has to relax, and of course the lens has to become thinner, so the answer is D, because suspensory ligaments become tightened because it gets pulled. That's why the lens becomes thinner. So the answer for this question should be D.